Morning, folks. It's 8:30 on Tuesday, the 24th, coming to the end of the month here. Um, this is your pre-opening comment video number 1955, and I want to get right to it because there's a lot to cover. Okay, the chart on the screen is the most impressive. I've been bullish on this. I've written it up over and over again as in a consolidation and ready to break out. And that, of course, is Bitcoin. Right now, it's trading 34,555. That's up 3,070. And that's on top of yesterday's 1,800. This is a weekly, but a look at the daily will really put this in perspective. How about that? I said if we went through these highs, closed above this number, which was 30,075, that we would accelerate up, and that's exactly what we did. We closed there. We went through it yesterday and the day before, and today, as I said, up another 3,000. The TLTs that we are long are basically unchanged today. We sold half at up 100% yesterday in one day. And so they closed at $1.05. Our position is costless, and they closed well up from that 55 cents. I expect them to be a little soft today, but in point of fact, that's exactly how they traded 2 weeks ago when we were in them. Not a straight run, but a continuous building and move higher. In any event, I'm really pleased with that position. Um, the information for this morning, our stocks are higher again, and we've had a bunch of earnings. GM beats by 41 cents, beats on revenue. The stock is up 46 cents. And, frankly, it's a bunch of BS. This is, lower estimates, lower estimates, lower estimates, followed by a beat, which is, in fact, not a beat on a sequential basis. Um, Verizon beats. The stock is up $1.13 or 3.6%. The one that did beat is RTX. That's the old Raytheon, 79.24, and that's up $6.11 or 8.4%. They continue to raise guidance and have a $10 billion accelerated share repurchase. Dow beats 49.45, up $1.21 or 2.5%. They do, in fact, have a new CFO, Jeffrey Tate, as of the first of next month. 3M beats. Um, that's up 3.8%, 88.88 up 328. Coca-Cola beats by a nickel, beats on revenue, guides above consensus. Cadence Design also says they beat on revenues and earnings, but in point of fact, they're again lowering Q4 earnings per share, and Cadence is actually 235.40, down 452. Nucor beats by 28 cents and beats on revenues. That one is a powerhouse, really well run steelmaker. 142 up $1.51 or 1.1. Cleveland Cliffs beats but lowers capex guidance. That one is up 80 cents. Pardon me. That one is up 43 cents at 14.80 or 3%. Spotify reports in line. The stock is 151, down 360 or 2.3. Sherwin Williams beats, guides above consensus, reaffirms fiscal 23 revenue guidance. That's a big consumer based company, a lot of DIY people. I mean, this is something that you generally see talked about versus home building and repair. Microsoft announces 5 billion in investment in expanding AI structure. That's Australian dollars, and the stock is up 281. GE beats by 26 cents, beats on revenue, guides above consensus, and announces plans to spin off GE Vernova and GE Aerospace in Q2 um, 2024. We have the October PMI, manufacturing and services, at 945. So we'll have to see how that looks. But that's really the only economic news that is due today. On the earnings front, after the close today, let's see what we have. After the close today, we have Alphabet, Boyd Gaming, Chubb, F5, Hawaiian Holdings, Microsoft. We already are seeing some action in about that AUD, the Australian dollar 5 million investment. Robert Half, which is an employment related, Teladoc, Texas Instruments, and Visa, all today. All right, folks, that's about it. As far as the futures go, Dow is up 172, NASDAQ is up 105, and the S&P is still up about 25. I'll be back later. Have a good one.